All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We got another little mini brands unboxing for you. So these ones are the sneakers, as you can see, and I got a total of 4 of these. I did get these at Michael's. They were on sale for like $5 a piece. I don't even know if they still do. I think I don't know if they do the sneakers anymore. Because I mean, you might be able to find these at like some type of off store like Ollie's or Ross or something like that. But at Target and Walmart, I want to say, I don't know if I've seen the sneaker ones anymore. So I'm not sure if this series is still out yet. But we got a total of 4 of them today to open. I've actually given my oldest son a couple of these before, so he got some Reeboks ones in that, but I'm hoping we get some good ones today. So let's go ahead and get this one open and see which ones we got. Okay, guys, okay, so here's our little collector's guide. So we can see the ultra rare is this gold Reebok set. The commons, here's all the Reeboks. They got more Reeboks, Skechers, Airwalk, and some prints. And then these are all like the hats. And then stickers. I mean, everybody's kind of like, ugh, on the stickers. But, yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get these open and we'll see which ones we got. And this is kind of our telltale sign of which one we got. It is going to be Reeboks. So we will see which Reeboks. Oh, here's the shirt one. So this is the hat. Let's go ahead and open the hat first and we'll save the shoes. Oh, we got purple. Woohoo! Purple's my favorite color. So we did get this purple one. And I believe these do fit Barbie. So we'll go ahead and we'll put these on Barbie and kind of model it and see how they fit her. I believe these do. I don't remember. I think one of the ones didn't actually fit. They were a little big. And then let's see which shoes we got. All right, we got our cute little Reeboks little shoe box. OMG. Ugh. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I'm so hoping these fit Barbie. She is gonna look rocking in these purple ones. So here's both of our shoes. Can you guys like see them? Here. Whoops, I'm dropping them. But here. These are super cute. Okay, guys, I bet you can't wait to see Barbie rocking these ones. All right, so let's go ahead and see. Obviously, we know it's not the ultra rare. It is going to be a common, and here we go. I see the purple one right now, and we're gonna get out our purple marker. And we'll check that one off. And then, here's our purple Reeboks hat. And then stickers. They don't even have a thing to check off for stickers. They're just stickers. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open up our next one. We'll set these ones to the side. Kind of clean up the little mess here. And just a disclaimer, if you are kids watching this, please make sure that if you're using something like this, you have your mom and dad around. You're supervised. These things are very sharp. Okay. Oh, I already see some stickers. It's going to be our giveaway. Here we go. Looks like we got the Prince set. So that's our collector's guide. And I believe there's only one of the Prince set in this one. So we'll open up the hat first. And okay, we got the white and green hat. I don't really know about this brand, much about this brand. We're more of a Nike Skechers type of family. All right, so here's our little shoe box. And, oh, look at these. They almost look like Vans almost. Or Nike Dunks. Almost like those. Here's the other one. Oh, and they do have, well, let me see if I can get it for you guys. The Prince written on the inside. And these do have a little bit of flex, so I'm assuming we could probably get these on Barbie. But these look kind of big to me. I don't know. We'll see. So those are cute. Like I said, we'll give Barbie a modeling after this. All right, let's open up our third one. Ooh, see what I mean? Sharp. Be very careful. I don't know how many times I've poked myself when weeding vinyl with these things. I mean, if you can see, they're very sharp. It actually got under the other shrink wrap. All right. All right. Hopefully no duplicates. Let's see. Looks like we got something different, guys. Oh, yeah. Our next clue, Reeboks. It's our collector guide. We don't need that. And, all right. This one are the shoes. This one's the hat. So let's open up our hat. Oh, we got a pink. We got a pink. Yay. Pink is my daughter's favorite color. So she's definitely gonna like this one. Barbie will be rocking pink. So let's see which shoes we got. Oh, you know what? We forgot to check off on the collector's guide. We'll do that for both of these then. So here's our little Reeboks. And are we ready? Oh, we got some old school looking Reeboks. Definitely some dad shoes. Kind of weird that they're with the pink cat. But you can see definitely old school Reeboks style right here. Oops, sorry guys. Trying to get you a little close up here. My camera does not want to focus. Here's the bottom of the shoe. All right. And then we'll have Barbie model these. But these look really big. I can almost tell you those are gonna look too big on her. And let's go ahead and check off our little list. So we gotta check off our Prince one too. So, okay, here's the Prince one. And there is only, it looks like only one to that. So we got the only Prince one that's available. And there's our Prince hat. All right, now we'll check off our Reeboks. There's our pink Reeboks hat. Whoops. And let's find our old school Reeboks. I believe they're these ones right here. Yeah, because they have the gray on it, so it's got to be these ones. Those ones are solid white. Oh, can I just say these ones are super cute. So are these. I like the two little Skechers. My daughter has a pair that's similar to those. All right, hopefully last one we get those Skecher ones. I will be so excited. All right, last ball, guys. Let's see what we got. Fingers crossed, it's the Skechers. And can I just say I have a big old mess going on next to me over here. There we go. Sometimes they cooperate, sometimes they don't. All right, ready? Oh, I see another Reeboks. Oops, oops, oops. Oh, we got a black Reeboks this time. So let's hope these are different sneakers. All right. So here's our hat. Let's open it up and see which hat we got. Oh, we got a black Reeboks hat. That one's kind of cool. Let's take it out. This one is kind of cool, guys. All right, here's our Reebok shoes. And pretty much all the Reeboks boxes are the same. So let's see. Oh, we got, oh, these are cool. Oh, look at these. I must say, like, we did pretty good for the most part, being that, you know, we're gonna try and put these on Barbie because we don't have any Kens at the moment. I'm surprised. So here they are, guys. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. All right. Here's the inside of them. And here's the bottom of the shoes. All right, let's go ahead and we'll check off which one we got, and then we're gonna try and sport these on Barbie, but I really got a feeling a lot of these are gonna be too big on her. I feel like we need more of like a bigger Ken doll or something to put these on. So let's go ahead and check off what we got this time around. Okay, so here's our Reeboks right here. And we did get the black hat. All right, a little disappointed we didn't get the Skecher ones. So hopefully I can come across some more of these because I really want to try to get those Skecher ones. And no, we did not get the ultra rare, unfortunately. All right, so let's grab Barbie and we're gonna take off her old shoes here. Let's just try, because I can already tell these are gonna be too big. Oh my goodness. She looks like she's got monster feet. Yeah, these definitely are not gonna fit Barbie. I got a feeling most of these are probably gonna be too big. Unless you have, like, my daughter does have that My First Barbie, which she's a little bigger, and those might actually fit. But oh, the hat does fit her. The hat actually fits surprisingly nice. Ah, the hat fits really good. I like that. Yeah, the hats, I can tell you right now, the hats will fit. As far as the shoes go, I'm gonna most likely say no. But we'll go ahead and we'll try them. Because I feel like they're all pretty much, they look similar in size anyway. Yeah, these are pretty big. Like I said, probably Ken, which I don't have a Ken doll right now to actually try these on. Or like I said, if you have like a bigger Barbie, like her My First Barbie might fit. I'd have to go find her. But there we go. The hats fit her, these Barbies perfectly. All right, and we'll try the Prince ones. Oh yeah. Like I said, guys, these are all pretty much the same. They look pretty much the same size. I mean, some may be a slightly smaller than the other, but yeah, they're pretty much the same size. But hats, guaranteed fit. Every one of them has fit her so far. All right, we got one more we'll try on, just so we can kind of see it, because, you know, this is the purple one, the first one we opened, my favorite. So I really, oh, purple is her color. Love it. Super cute. Okay, we gotta rock it backwards too. Let's see. Oh yeah, love it. All right, guys, let's try on the shoes, but I already know where this is going. These ones actually kind of look smaller to me, but I don't know. Yeah, these are still too big. She looks like she's Bigfoot. She could be mistaken if she wore these for sure. Yeah, see, look, here's her original Barbie shoes, and there's a big difference. So, all right, guys, but yeah, that was it. I'd say we got some good ones in the sneakers. Unfortunately, they don't really fit Barbie, but the hats fit her, so, which is kind of nice. But yeah, guys, make sure you stick around. I will be doing some more openings. I've got other ones like Harry Potter. I've still got some more of the mini cafes. So yeah, we got plenty more options still coming up. But remember to like, subscribe, and share. And I appreciate every one of you. All you subscribers have been wonderful. But yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.